You seem unsure of yourself, standing off to the side, your eyes shining brightly towards me. Tell me who broke your heart and left you all on your own, with a view of love still fading. We've gotta figure this out, or in every town the sky is falling in and all around us. Could it be you and I are the ones to blame? We know which way the wind is leading. It draws us in with a swift, cool breeze, and passing through our lungs fills our chest with a new beat, to shrug off the darkness beneath our feet. And what if romance isn't worth pursuing, when even the right ones end up being wrong? It seems we've made a mess of what's more than a feeling. Oh my God, does it break your heart? The distance here is growing, and we're in danger of missing what good is left. The ones who stay while knowing just what an awful mess we can be. So let's slow down to take in the air we've been quick to dismiss. We're falling faster now, but this is hardly the